My biking helmet. Yeah, that thing is solid. It's got this knob in the back right here. I'll give you a better shot of it, nice close up. And it's got this little, visor to protect me from the sun. And it's got a nice strap indeed. Well, I'm gonna go for a bike ride. I hope I could get some shots for you and give a little talk about the helmet when we're done. Base Camp is a bike helmet. It comes in a number of colors. I placed this on my head. I went for a bike ride and I was very comfortable. On the back of the unit, it's got this dial-in knob like you have on safety caps. It's compact and small, as you can see. It's got some cushion on the strap here that looks like it's Velcro that you could take off. And it's adjustable just by a little bit. And you can simply just place it on your head, like so. Lock it on, like so. Adjust the back, like so. And you got yourself a comfortable helmet to wear. I wear glasses, it doesn't interfere. When the wind blows, I hear just a little bit, maybe from the straps, and that's quite normal. And it is going to protect your head. I hope you enjoy your bike helmet if this is right for you. On the inside of the unit, it's going to be a little difficult for you to see. It's got some safety stickers you could peel off. It's cushioned, it's got little air vents. And if you like putting cameras on top of the helmet, you can put an area right over here, your sticker, and you can definitely enjoy riding along on a bicycle, hiking, running, skiing, whatever you like to do with a helmet. Hope you enjoy your product.